Alright guys, we got another one here. This one is an old friend of mine's. This is actually his third makeover. Something different, something unique, something very nice. And we're gonna be speaking to the owner pretty soon, just so you guys can look at the clutch wheels. Them things are nasty. And I haven't seen nobody in Lancaster with them, so that's crazy. Alright. Alright guys, we got Kenny right here with his unique spoon wrap EG hatch 93. So a lot of people know, but for those who don't know, you had a big accident last year?
Yeah, like 5 months ago, 6 months ago.
Okay.
In September.
And it was a crazy accident. You actually totaled your Civic hatch.
Yeah.
And then now you got this baby right here. So, so what happened?
I was going to a car meet. Shit went left real quick at a red light, and 2 cars just hit me. And it was a complete loss. Like, it was on liability, so I didn't get no money from the insurance. So it was just a complete loss. And yeah, that was it. I had to pick myself up and start all over again. It sucked, but it is what it is. Like, I don't regret that it happened, because if it would have never happened, I would have never had this.
Right. So what made you get another hatch?
I just wasn't done with my first one yet. Like, I just, growing up, my dad had like 20 of them. So like he always put me on at a young age, and I just knew that, like, as soon as I crashed, I just knew I wanted another one.
Okay. That's nice. And so tell me what you did to this car that looks so crazy.
Man, a little bit of everything. The first thing I did to it when I first got it was I yanked the whole interior out, and I started working on the body work because it had a lot of rust in the quarter panel. So I had to buy, like Honda OEM quarter panels, cut it, weld it. I started off with the body work. I painted the inside, then I pulled the stock engine out.
Okay.
The car was all stock.
Pulled out the little single?
You said what?
Did it have a single jingle?
Yeah.
All right.
It had like 360,000 miles
Holy
on it. Something crazy. Yeah, and I pulled it out. I got this engine from the last hatch. I refreshed it a little bit, opened it up, just fixed it up, made it more reliable, and I threw it in here.
That's what's up.
And then I started getting the wrap again. I had to buy the rims again because 3 of the rims cracked and bended, so I had to get them again. I had to get everything all over again.
So what kind of wheels are these? These things are crazy.
They're Clutch SO2s.
These things are amazing. And it looks really good in your car. So what else do you do to your car?
I mean, a little bit of everything. I don't know where to start. Just little stuff like lips, seats. I got the X-bar. I had to get a new X-bar because the last one bended all up.
Right, yeah.
The only thing I saved from the last car were the tail lights, the wing, and the engine, and that was it. I got a carbon fiber hood, and that was it. I got some lips, like simple stuff.
Right.
Yeah, even the EK side skirts from the last car were gone.
That's crazy.
It bended it like 10 times over. Yeah, all the suspension was all bended. I had to throw all that out. The seats were all bended. Everything was all bended and messed up.
But that's good though. The thing is that you didn't stop. You continued, and then you did another project, and then you came out with this crazy thing. So yeah, man, this is Kenny. Oh, tell you your information, your Instagram, so you can get followers.
My Instagram is EG_hatch_PR74.
That link will be on the video as well. And then the motor, let's see the motor. And this is a GSR?
Yep.
And I always love these headlights, man. These things are nasty.
Yeah, every time we see each other fit around, it was horrible.
Them things are nasty. Anyways, yeah, this is the car. New things. I like the yellow theme.
Appreciate it. Yeah, I just gutted the interior just because.
Yeah.
I wanted to gut it and paint it all white, so on the inside it could look white. You know what I mean?
That's what's up. So, all right, guys. You guys can check his Instagram out, and then check mine out at HF_studio_creative. I'll be posting all the pictures of today's photography session, and also HS Studio Creative on my YouTube channel so you can see the crazy videography we're going to be doing on this car. Alright guys, so this is Kenny. That is his spoon hatch wrap build. And yeah, see you on the next build, right?
Next one, Monday, yeah.
Alright bro.